Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I've got something really exciting for all the travel lovers, adventurers, and those who dream of taking the road less traveled. Because we're checking out the brand new Honda Motorhome. This one isn't just another RV on the highway. It's a bold statement of comfort, technology, and performance, all wrapped in Honda's legendary reliability. Right from the first look, the design grabs your attention. Sleek aerodynamic lines, a sharp front grille inspired by Honda's modern SUV design language, and those beautifully integrated LED headlights give it a very futuristic presence. The finish is premium. No rough edges, no uneven panels, just pure Honda precision. Step inside, and you immediately feel that signature Honda quality. The cabin is incredibly well thought out. Elegant materials, a panoramic roof that floods the interior with natural light, and ultra-comfortable recliner seats that double as beds. The dashboard feels more like a luxury car than a motorhome, featuring a massive touchscreen infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, wireless charging pads, and voice-controlled climate settings. Every inch of the space feels premium yet practical. In terms of performance, Honda has done something remarkable. Under the hood, this motorhome packs a hybrid powertrain that delivers both impressive torque and great fuel efficiency. Whether you're cruising on the open highway or maneuvering through tight campgrounds, the handling feels smooth and confident, just what you'd expect from Honda engineering. The suspension absorbs bumps effortlessly, and road noise is minimal, making long drives incredibly relaxing. When it comes to features, the Honda Motorhome is packed. You get an intelligent energy management system that optimizes battery and fuel use, a built-in solar charging panel on the roof, and advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera for easy parking. The rear cabin offers convertible seating, hidden storage compartments, ambient LED lighting, and a luxury sleeping area that rivals boutique hotel comfort. As for price, the Honda Motorhome comes in at around $185,000, depending on configuration. It's not cheap, but when you consider the technology, reliability, and overall refinement, it's honestly a solid value compared to other luxury RVs in the same range. In my overall review, the Honda Motorhome is the perfect balance of elegance, efficiency, and innovation. It's built for people who don't just want to travel. They want to travel smart, comfortably, and with confidence. The attention to detail, the safety tech, and the futuristic cabin all make it one of the best designed motorhomes in its class. So, if you're planning to hit the road in style and comfort, the Honda Motorhome might just be your next big adventure companion. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome motorhome reviews, travel insights, and road life inspiration. See you in the next one, and as always, keep exploring.